Yo, yo, yo. All right. So, first, you guys know I'm not a financial advisor, but get ready for this. Okay. So I was looking at potential trending things. Okay, on Google, as you guys know. TAE Technologies stock came up. Okay, so I looked it up on webull, and there was nothing coming up for TAE Technologies. It used to be known as Tri-Alpha Energy, okay, but apparently yesterday they went ahead and they exceeded their performance goals by 250%, and they totaled 1.2 billion in funding. Now, I'm going to give you guys the short version, okay? Basically, they mentioned two different potential tickers, okay? They mentioned SCOA, which would be an acquisition company, and then they mentioned their partner in Japan, okay? Now, here's the partner's Vortex. I don't want to mispronounce this, so there you go. All right. This is a large company, about $40.5 billion. Free float, also very large, $1.2 billion. And you can see it's got a very, very tight range. Okay. Now, fundamentally, this thing is a giant from what details they do give. Okay. Look at the revenue. That's insane. We'll call it 20.8 billion. Very, very impressive. Earnings per share, look at that jump. Almost like 3.5 times. Now, here's the interesting part, though, to me, at least. All right, now this is a pre-target IPO. Or Spac, excuse me. Weird, right? Weird. The market cap on this is only 710 million, 711, which means that it's going to be easier to move than the Japanese partner. Okay. Free float, and less than 75% of the company is on float. I find that intriguing. They also have warrants, guys. Warrants. So chances are I'm not even going to jump into it until I see it start moving, and then I might, if it is moving like that, then I would just hop into the warrants. But you know what? This is actually something I didn't do. Let me go ahead and let me get the warrant information for you guys, because I didn't even get it for myself yet. Man, I just want the info sheet. I don't have to dig through the filing. Alright, screw it. SCOA. We're looking for SCOA. SCOA. SCOA warrant. 1150. So they're 1150. And I believe the usually expiration dates are like 5 to 10 years out, and I don't believe that we're there, but let me just go ahead and double check. So SCOA warrant X date. See, that's why it's important to check, guys. 2025, now we know. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And then I'm going to go here. Like, utilize all the tools that you guys have possible. Like, make sure that you're utilizing your tools. You might as well. And I could go ahead and copy this, put this right here, and then I could just always reference that whenever I need to. Like, it's pretty simple stuff, but a lot of people don't like think to do this kind of stuff, and like it's the little things, they add up. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, obviously, but like if something works, you don't change it, right? I mean that's kind of like a life thing. You know what I mean? Not only like with finance, but like it's like a life thing. If it's like currently working for you, you know, usually you probably shouldn't change it. But anyways, come find out why my growth rate is over 600% this week. We are calling out bangers. I mean, I'm showing you guys how I find potential stocks. Like, I can't think of a way to be more transparent, you know? So subbing would be awesome. That's the only metric I'm off for becoming monetized. But liking, sharing, getting this info out there. We were talking about a company that like well exceeded their goal in funding, like by a lot. So just throwing that out there. So like, say that this were to be an IPO or a SPAC, it would probably go nuts. Same thing here. Like, it might get a little bit of juice, but honestly, the big play would be in the warrants, I think. Again, that's not financial advice, that's just my opinion, but I believe that the big play would be in the warrants, and that's if it were to SPAC under SCOA. That, I mean, speculation, yes, but I mean, it's again a watch list for a reason. You guys have a good one, and then hopefully I catch you guys on stream in about 2 hours. Later.